Good morning. Today we are going to be discussing about the difference between lawyers, advocates, barristers and solicitors. Now, generally lawyers, advocates, barristers, solicitors are considered equal words, but they are having different meaning, importance and natures. These terms are used in different countries and have significance moreover. Who is a lawyer? A lawyer is somebody who has completed his legal education or is a graduate in law. A lawyer cannot represent the client in a court proceedings because he is someone who is trained in the law but has not cleared the bar exam. So he may be a legal advisor, a consultant, an academician in in-house counsel, or may draft documents such as contracts, deeds, wills, and other non-litigation work. Advocate. Those lawyers who are qualified in the bar council, who have qualified the bar council exams, are known as advocates. In contrast to the role of a lawyer, he can represent his client in the court of law and on behalf of someone else also. Who is an advocate on record? An advocate on record is someone who is entitled under Order 4 of the Supreme Court Rules of 2013 under Article 145 of the Constitution. He can plead for a party in the Supreme Court of India. Now, no other person other than a person who is appointed to be an advocate on record can plead for any party in the Supreme Court of India. Advocate General. An Advocate General is a senior officer in law. The Advocate General is a constitutional office created under Article 165 of the Constitution of India. The Governor of the state appoints a person who is qualified to be appointed as a High Court judge as the Advocate General in India. Now, Attorney General of India. The Attorney General of India is the Indian government's chief legal advisor and is a primary lawyer in the Supreme Court of India. He is appointed by the President under Article 76, Clause 1 of the Constitution and holds the office during the period of the President. He must also be a person who is qualified to be appointed as a judge in the Supreme Court of India. Now, Solicitor General of India. The Solicitor General of India is someone who is subordinate to the Attorney General of India. The Solicitor General of India is the second law officer of the country and assists the Attorney General of India and is himself assisted by other four additional Solicitor Generals of India. Unlike the Attorney General, the Solicitor General does not tender to legal advice of Government of India. His workload is confined to appear in the courts on behalf of the Union of India. Who is a barrister? A barrister in Britain and Canada is a lawyer who speaks in the high courts of law on behalf of either the defense or the prosecution. Barristers can be distinguished from a solicitor because they wear a wig and a gown in the courts. Who is a public prosecutor and a government pleader? A public prosecutor is a person who appears on behalf of the state in a criminal case. He is also known as PP. Who is a government pleader? A government pleader in civil cases is a person who appears on behalf of the government. Therefore, this concludes a distinguished between a lawyer, an advocate, a solicitor, an Attorney General of India, Solicitor General of India, barrister, public prosecutors and government prosecutor.